Welcome back to the abandoned Supra project. We're carrying on this time, getting it ready for the MOT. So far, we've got it running and driving. We've done a lot of the maintenance and recommissioning work, and now it's that last push, trying to get this ready for the MOT. Let's crack on with the abandoned Supra. So last time we'd done the front brakes, bled out all that old fluid, cleaned them up. We haven't tested them yet, but what we forgot to do was the back brakes. So we're going to strip these ones down, clean them up, and then bleed out the rest of that old fluid, get some nice new fluid in it, and hopefully that'll be our brakes sorted. So we didn't get a lot of footage of the rear brakes because we had a disaster with the camera. So this is what we did get. So as you can see, again, the disc was totally seized. So bit of heat and a hammer, got this removed. The rest of it was just stripping down, greasing everything up, cleaning everything, same as we done on the front. Right, we're back to iPhone footage with no microphones. We had a disaster with the camera and it come off the tripod, so this is where we're at. Nice hat, by the way.
I look like Pee-wee. What's it we for?
The Handmaid's Tale. Right, we've got the spoiler off, so we're just gonna seal up these holes because we've got a lot of water coming in here, which is possibly the problem with these lights. We tried our new bulbs and it's still the same. So we're going to try and check out some wiring, see what's going on, and hopefully get some rear lights working. So we've changed the bulbs. We're still getting the same fault. Put power directly to the plug of the light, and we know that they're lighting up. So we're thinking the fault is from that plug backwards. There's an earth down there for the light loom, which we've cleaned up. Still getting the same problem. So a little bit more investigation needed on that. Been through that wiring, we can't find anything. We have cleaned up the earths, but we've replaced all the bulbs now. So let's have a little look, see if it makes any difference. Side lights? Yes. Brake lights? Yes, success! They are all working. Fog light? Should be that one. Okay. Let's... Is that why we had an extra bulb? Wow. Look at that. So that's the fog light. It's just supposed to be a red tinted bulb. But yeah. Someone's painted it. And it does look very corroded, isn't it?
That might be why it doesn't work. Which is fun.
Yeah, a bit of corrosion.
Just find another bulb.
That weren't plugged in properly either. Should we turn it on now, see if anything happened? No, nothing. Still on this fog light. We've ended up chasing the wiring all the way back to here, under the dash. We found our 12 volts. So why is the wiring not standard on this?
So the Japanese domestic market JDM version of these didn't come with a rear fog, only front fogs.
So this has been adapted for the UK.
When it was imported, they would have done a mod on the wiring, which I'm guessing they just tapped up the front fog and ran a feed to the back. But we can't trace that out.
All we've got is
the original 12
this.
volts. That's the original 12 volts for the rears.
Yeah.
And whatever they want. Well, this is the extra cable, isn't it? That's the 12. That's the 2 pair.
But that's a constant 12 volt, isn't it?
But it's been run to a constant supply. So we found a constant pair,
which is down here. But the fuse has been taken out for some reason. So for the short term, I think we're gonna join it back up to the bolt holder and put a toggle switch in it. But yeah, there's some crazy wiring going on. Chaz is just gonna solder that on. We'll get a switch down the front and get it back together. We've got our fog light switch there. Why that's not working, I don't know.
Why the LED?
Oh, okay, the LED's not in. Do you want to flick it on for us? I thought I'd turn it on. And there we go, fog light. That's awesome. Right, we're going to take this intake, this throttle body back off again and do our cam cover gaskets. If we were clever, we would have done it when we had it off before, but we're not clever.
That sentence is definitely the highlight of the series. Yeah, well, we're not clever.
Right, that's one off. Clean that up and
Get our new gasket on.
Chaz is just giving the old valve cover a little clean up. Because why not? Once we've done that, we'll get it back on. New cam cover gasket. First one going on.
Wait, I got stuck.
Huh? Didn't like that hat anyway, did you?
Shamelessly marketed. I'm just a fucking walking billboard now.
Just going to give that a little degrease, just so we can see if that still leaks. And it stunk of oil when it was running, so I'll give that a little clean up, see how we go. We're running. Sounds like the exhaust blow is gone. Well, that's running good. So we'll get it up to temperature.
Yeah,
make sure we got no oil coming out, and test these old brakes. Next up, we're going to have a look at these headlights. Right, this lens, we have tried the mop on it. No joy. You can see I've had a bit of wet and dry on it there. So now I'm going to try some brake fluid, see if we can break that down. So we read on the internet, soaking it in brake fluid, having a go with a mop should break down the lacquer and allow us to dull that light down a bit to get some light for it. So obviously we tried brake fluid on them, we tried many different things and it's not working. So we're going to attack them with various sandpapers and stuff and see if we can get some MOT worthy headlights. Let's do it. We're fitting up the headlights, which are still black and a bit scratched, but we'll restore these at a later date. We're just trying to get it through an MOT. We can see light through them now. If the MOT tester will feel the same, we'll soon find out. We are doing headlights and horn things, as Chaz didn't do it last time, like he said he was gonna. Disappointing.
Only fucking exactly the amount of crimps I needed. They take 2 crimps. Don't really get them home with your ADHD and shit.
Yeah, apparently I'm too tight with the crimps. Probably about right. Ah, you fucker. They are shit. We'll try this insulated one. Might get a bit of a better bite. Is this the problem you had, is it?
Yeah, that's feeling out.
It might even be those crimpers, you know, aren't crimping it tight enough, because they are cheap ones. Oh, nice to join. Right, after fighting a simple task, there's the old horns. Let's see if they work.
Should just work anyway, shouldn't it?
They don't work. Brilliant. Loosely bolted up the bumper. We've got some lights in. We're going to test these brakes. Does it stop? Well, it stops. New bulb holder. A little bit of modification to the tabs to make that fit.
Just a little half a special.
And that gets rid of the HIDs. And I'm just giving these another quick go over. We're up against it a little bit because we've got an MOT booked for 11:30. Right, we've got headlights again. They are clear for the moment. Don't know, we do need to buff them a bit more, but we think that's all right for the MOT. We just made it in time. We're now going to take it for an MOT. Stay tuned. Well, it made it to the MOT centre. Are you excited?
I just figured I've dreaded it. I think it's going to fail again.
Oh, man. We'll soon see. We'll soon see. We are back from the MOT centre and we got a fail. However, it's very minor. So, side light at the front, it's just a bulb. We're going to run out and get one in a minute. So that's sorted. windscreen washers not working. We've just fixed them. It was a dirty connection on the pump, so that's good. And wheel bolt missing, which we totally forgot to put on, so we've done that as well. So we're going to run it down for a retest and start enjoying it. Before we go for our retest, we're going to whack the spoiler back on it. So we're just going to clean these up, get it all sealed up and get our spoiler back on. We'll be using that to seal that up. As this is a custom made replica spoiler, we're leaving these black pads on there. This ensures a nice fit from the spoiler to the boot lid. We had a couple of rust bubbles under here when we took this off, which we treated and painted. So I'm just going over with the MOT just to get off any overspray and to give a nice flat finish ready for the spoiler. We applied our butyl sealant, got the spoiler fitted with some nice new bolts. We also sealed up on the inside just in case. We're just going belt and braces because we don't want any more water coming. As you can see, we got in a right mess with this stuff. But once it was cleaned up, jobs are good. That is one spoiler, refitted, sealed up. Let's get this for a retest. Boom! We're back at Belay's Bangers HQ and we have with us one MOT'd Toyota Supra. So it went through the retest, it's had a bath, and yeah, I think Chaz is going to start enjoying this. So we've been through the brakes, we've been through the leaky spoiler, we've been through the lights, the front lights, we've done a cam cover gasket, a full service. But don't be fooled, there's still a lot of work left to do on this, which we will be doing in the next video because we've got some big plans for this car next year. So stay tuned for that because all will be revealed. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've liked it as much as we have doing it. Please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video on the Supra. Catch you in the next one.